saver. Too much saving. Too much saving. Saving about the money. Too much saving. Array, 1 kilometer is there. Auto wala asked 50 rupees or 60 rupees. Hey, just 1 kilometer only. I can see that for that 50 rupees is required. Sorry, man. I will walk. I will walk. Matter of 5 minutes only. I will walk. This person, to save that 50 rupees, is going to walk almost around 1 kilometer. How much time is going to waste? How much energy is going to waste? Remember this one. Array, if I arrange a person, if I arrange a driver, I may require to spend 20,000, 15,000 rupees. Unnecessary, unnecessary money waste. He required only couple of hours only. Unnecessary money waste. Why I have to arrange this person? Okay, just a matter of half an hour only, right? I can do on my own. Next, array, better to join that course so that more growth will be there. More, that course is 1 lakh rupees. I will study on my own, man. What is the need of 1 lakh rupees I'm going to spend? No. I should not. డబ్బులు ఎవరికి ఊరక రాట్లా డబ్బులు ఏం చెట్లకి కాయటల్లా దట్స్ వై I should not waste the money. I will study on my own. No. I don't want any mentor. I don't want any. So like, I don't want to join that course. I will study on my own. Like, hurry, if you use some AI tool, your life will become very simple. You can save some time. Like, oh man, that subscription, every month 2,000, 3,000 rupees I require to pay. What is the need? No. I don't want. This type of mentality people are saver. If you are the saver, better to remove that habit from your mind. If you are thinking about money always, saving the money always, you are destroying your growth with your own hands. You are killing your growth with your own hands. Remember that. Use money as a tool. Use money as a tool for your growth. That thing must be required. Remember.